Good evening all, Ian here, Mac Blogs. Since I am in Luton Airport, so London Luton Airport, I'm staying at the IBIS Hotel, not the IBIS budget, the IBIS Hotel. I have spent £99 to spend the night whilst I'm down here checking out the future, hopefully the potential future of Universal Studios UK theme park. So check out those other videos. But since I'm down here, I'm staying overnight here and then getting a flight back home tomorrow. But join me just now for a room tour, a hotel room tour of the IBIS. I'm on the ground floor and yeah, so far first impressions, it's an IBIS. It's got all the kind of basic needs, and I've done a lot of hotel rooms. And there's not a lot to cover in this room, so we'll just get straight into it. This is the overview of the room. Really cool view. I don't know if you can hear that plane taking off. Got bed, bedside lamps, so lights, outlet there. You've got a double socket over there with USB points, a couch idea, desk, chair, TV. I'm not sure what the purpose of that is there, but you get TV. And then I'm getting out of the way of the mirror because you don't want to see me. It's mirror, light. Big space here, really. Nice space, storage space, a lot of space. We'll jump in and have a look in this capsule looking idea. For most IBIS hotels are this capsule with a shower, whatnot. So we've got a light up mirror, sink, etc. Of course, charging points, hair, body, hand wash, big shower, nice big shower with the hair, body, hand wash, shampoo, conditioning shampoo. Yeah, got everything really you need just to put the head down for the night. There's no fridge. Not a lot of hotels nowadays have fridges, but I always say it, you need a fridge nowadays. Storage space, you've got all of these. You've got a hairdryer. I've noticed you don't have an iron in here. I've not seen an iron yet, but I've got an iron board. Hanging space with hangers. Your kettle, mugs, coffees, teas, milks, sugars. There is a menu, a digital menu, a QR code if you want to check out the bar and restaurant offer. If you need any assistance or help, you've got a WhatsApp as well. So cool idea where you can sit there and chill, sit there, lie down of course. That's the, I don't know what they are, the Ethernet points or something. There's your other charging or power outlets. Yeah, that's really it for the room. The view. This is the back end. You come in, that's the front. So at the back just now, you can see the planes taking off just there. I've seen one or two, and I've heard a few as well. If we can see any more, I will show you. You've got the curtains, just in case you're wondering. It's not just that, you've got the curtains as well as this roller blind here. You can just see the chain there. But yeah, that's it. That's really it. If you need an iron, I'm presuming you have to ask for the iron at the reception. That's probably the setup here. There's nothing else. It's clean, it's tidy, it's all you can really ask for. Oh, there's a pry look. No, don't know if we'll catch that quick enough. Did we catch that? That was a very quick jet taking off. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to leave it there. Hopefully that has been useful to you if you're looking at hotels. I might be back down here in the future monitoring the progress of hopefully Universal Studios coming to the UK, and I'll try out other hotels like I do all my travels. Mainly, if you like theme parks, adventure, travel, those kind of things. So I love Walt Disney World, Universal Studios, Disneyland Paris, Disney Cruises. I've got all those kind of videos content wise. I like exploring as well, so recently I have been exploring different things, really. I've also like Comic Cons, so yeah, all sorts, a bit of a mixed bag in there with the kind of travel genre, and of course hotels and that as well. So thank you for watching, hope you found it useful like I say, and hope you hit subscribe, and I'll see you over on my social medias if you wish. Hope you're all well, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, bye for now.